Hi guys, back with me again, me, Chef Raihan, and now I'm gonna make the third dish. The third dish is honey yogurt pear. Basically a simple dish, it's like a European dish. We just need some yogurt, balsamic vinegar, sugar, honey, salt, beef ham, pear, and some baguettes. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is making a balsamic reduction. Balsamic reduction is to reduce the balsamic vinegar to make more dense or more liquidy. So we just put right in balsamic. Just need some sugar. Okay, it's almost done. Okay. When it's thick enough, like this, we just put right back in. Okay, and then we gotta cook some beef ham. First thing we're gonna chop dice. If you don't have beef ham or bacon, you just prepare it with the sausage, like chicken sausage or beef sausage or meatballs. When it's done, just cook it. While waiting for the beef ham is done, we prepare the pear. Just cut in half. Divide by 4. Okay. And divide again. I want the beef is like crispy texture, so it will take a while to be cooked. Add some olive, just a little bit. For the baguette, we just slice it. Baguette, it's done. Okay, the beef is crispy enough. Let's put it right in. Okay. And then we prepare the pear. Just need some sugar. The caramel is done, and then put some pear. Done. we toast the bread. Okay, the bread is done, the pear is done. Okay, now we are gonna doing plating. And first we put the yogurt. Put the pear. Okay. And then we put some beef, then the honey, just drizzling up here. And the last part is the balsamic production. And last touch, extra virgin olive oil. And it's done. Honey yogurt pear. So, this is the end of the show. See you next episode with me, Chef Raihan, on Satisfactory. Cook healthy, cook happy. Bye-bye.